Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's LavishDollz. I'm Brianna and this is our mom. And today we are at Disney Springs and we're going to be going to Rainforest Cafe to see what they have on their menus and try some new stuff. Bye.
Bye. guys, so we're now in Rainforest Cafe, and also here we have to do the little code thing to get our food. So here it is, and then they have a drink menu which have these little cute souvenirs for the kids. It comes with the ices inside, and they have also adult drinks. I don't drink, so, but there it is. So we'll be back with our appetizers.
Oh my god, guys, our appetizer finally came in, and this is the beef lava nachos, and it's $19.99. It has peppers, onions, black beans, Monterey Jack cheese, cheddar cheese, green onions, sour cream, pico de gallo, chipotle salsa, and that's it. Let's dig in. Okay guys, our food arrived. This is the jungle turkey wrap. It's $17.99. It is shaved turkey breast, tomatoes, bacon, lettuce, Caesar dressing, and a flour tortilla. And then it has coleslaw on the side and a side of your choice. Over here, we have the IGGY's Piggy sandwich. It's $18.99. It is a slow-cooked Cuban-style pork, sliced ham, Swiss pickle, Creole mustard, and the pick of your side. Guys, our dessert is here. It's huge, and this is called the Sparkling Volcano. It is $18.99. It is a giant rich chocolate brownie cake stacked with high-serve warm vanilla ice cream, creamy whipped toppings, and topped with caramel and chocolate sauce.
Let's dig in. So we finished our lunch, and let me tell you, the theming in that restaurant was so perfect. It's called the Rainforest. It looks like a rainforest inside. They had animated animals all over the place,
And they're like moving and like,
yeah, it was really, really nice. The nachos, let's start with that.
ooh, that was good.
They were good. I don't like black beans, but it was all right.
I don't either, but I decided to try it.
To try it, regardless, it was good.
Yeah.
And then my Piggy sandwich, it was delicious.
Yeah, it was. We each tried like half of it. So.
Yeah, it had like a cheesy bread, and then all the meats, and it was like really moist. It wasn't dry. It was really, really good.
Yeah, I liked hers. It was like the different textures of the meats too,
And the pickle and the mustard, it was really, really good. And then her jungle turkey wrap was humongous. It was huge. That was good too. I had a bite of it too.
Yeah, it was good. It had like tomatoes. I don't really eat tomatoes like that, but I decided to eat it with it, and it was really good with the tomatoes. I barely tasted it. I tasted a lot of the bacon. It was really good. I liked it.
And overall, it was a fantastic experience. I recommend it to everyone that comes down here to Disney Springs. And that's the end of our video.
Wait, you forgot the dessert.
Oh, yes. That dessert was humongous.
It was really big.
We made a humongous dent in it, but wow, it could feed at least 3 people with that,
Yeah,
or maybe 4. Like,
Yeah.
you know, split it evenly. But yeah, that thing was so good.
It was really good. Like, kind of feels sick to my stomach, but it's
Yeah,
really
I think we
good.
overdid it. I think we overfed ourselves here, but it was delicious. So, with that being said,
make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you can see every time we post a new video. Also, add us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram at LavishDollz. Bye.